In a remote canyon, a team of professional nature experts demonstrates a rapid assessment of river flood risk and escape routes. They outline a step-by-step plan to construct a debris shelter using natural materials and minimal tools. The experts explain water purification on the go using solar stills and improvised filters from cloth and sand. They practice controlled signaling, emergency rendezvous points, and roped crossings to cross fast-moving water safely. Throughout, the emphasis remains on preparation, situational awareness, and practicing drills to turn danger into learning.